-25 right now. This year winter is going very strong and very bad weather. But today is luckily sunny day. It looks so nice when it's sunny day in the snow, winter, white. We can see that. The coldest place North American, one of the most coldest place in the country name is Canada. But Toronto is not that much. But in the whole world, the extremely cold place country is Russia and Antarctica. There is no people live in Antarctica. There are some people, very less, but in general, no. But in Russia, we know that lots of people lives in the most coldest country, and there is a village in Russia. The weather is in general in the hardcore winter going -75, -80. We can't even imagine how bad that is. In Ontario, Toronto, the lake is going to be frozen. We have a